Portado's injury, Kong gave him medicine and took care of Portado through the night. Portado needs a curing medicine for his injury. Kong and Harry went out for the medicine. They went to Eddie the magician's house.
What does he say? My friend Portado should be his arm. We need a cure for him. Injure his arm? You'll need a magic cure for that. But I don't have any in my house. You really need that cure? I don't have it here. And you don't have the ability to get it. Well, Woody can help you find it. If you get the cure from the wicked